Okay, hey guys, we are playing Build a Boat today, and we're going to see if we can finish with this new boat I've created. So I do have a jetpack, obviously, but I didn't put it in this one because it was glitching out. All of them were like broken; they weren't working. So we're gonna see if we can make it in. We have already started the ride. So this is where I want to try and get this. If we a 4,000 jet. But obviously I can't. I've got this in. But I want to get a jet. So very cool. I don't know how to get any more jets. But is there another way? I want to get these wings so there's a chest in here. So I'm trying to shoot this one, number 3. I'm trying to go and get it, but I need a jetpack. So I've got my jetpack now, but I can't do it now. Phone at the moment. I can do it on my laptop another time. What is this? Oh, no. Come on, then none of them will. Oh, I've lost half of my cannons. At least you got 4 on the other side. Oh no, it's this. I think I actually died on this one last time because like one of these massive things like dropped on me. And it's like my whole ship disappeared and I was like flying around in my jetpack. No! The disappearing flag. No mind. It's wrecked. That's the okay then. Oh, this one first. What's up? I'm recording. That's cool. So Daniel Stephen. Oh whoa! Oh bruv, what was that? That's actually kind of helpful too. I'm sure. Is he actually playing or is this a glitch? Oh, he is actually playing. So Daniel Stephen's one of my friends who plays Roblox with me. He's actually a real life friend in real life. Wait, you guys saw that? It just sunk. So most of the time I'll be wrecked with my sister, but it's cool to have my old friends. Whoa! Oh! Whoa! Wait, what? Oh, it's a glitch. We're alive. Guys, we're actually alive. We're a ship itself. Like, bro, this is a glitch. No. Oh no! Oh shit. Well, I got 38 gold. So let's see if we can see him. Where is he going? What's that? There he is. You're on my video. No, Daniel, come back. Come back to spawn. I got a big boat. Come on. Okay, let's do that. Loading the pirate ship. Loading my boat. Okay, come on, Jesse. Jetty, there it is. Wait, no, it has to be the jetpack glitch. I swear it's the jetty. I'm a pro.
Does this look like this
Wait, no, don't leave. Reset.
Please answer the question. I'm just dishing up for dinner.
Okay, cool.
And then after dinner, Ollie, we'll do some guitar practice and just do something. Yeah?
Alright. Okay, let's go.
That's all sorts of strange things.
Come on, get in.
Piece of plastic
Get in,
you
bruv.
can,
Get
yeah.
in. The ship. What is that here? Why did you place a chair there?
My name is Dexter Bellman, and I'm going to attempt the new world.
Okay, let's go.
Start the clock.
Why did you just fire it? Bruv. Nice.
Stop and Sam.
I'm recording
So that is.
for YouTube
And
right
trying to be sound panels.
now.
So you went in your room. Just on camera.
So why did you lie?
Silence in court. Because if you told people, they'll try to steal our ideas. I said order. You lied on your own.
So last time you saw that we got stuck. So the jetpack I am not using again because that was like weird. But I'm going to see. Wait, is there? Yeah, there is. Daniel Stevens view. What is it on his hair? What is that? Because I know he doesn't have Roblox because he texted me yesterday. No, okay, it's glitch. Thanks.
And I was practicing my commentary.
I bought
What contour
them
you dip your blusher
for the
and you draw a brown stripe on
view
it enhances your bone structure. Oh, but I put too much bone
fans. Just go fans.
so much. And then what?
I bought them for the fans.
There's a knock at the door.
Yeah, so
And I answered.
okay, cool. So I'll see you guys next video. Bye.